have to kick a toddler, but you get to do it with Madison Beer. Have unlimited money, but you have to marry the first person that appears when you click share, then more. Win $10,000, but a random person gets cancer. Have the ability to stop time, but you lose a tooth every time. Fight a German Shepherd, but you receive $50,000. Win a free iPhone 15, but you have to comment your phone percentage. Have the ability to read minds, but you can never switch it off. Be happy forever, but you have no money. Have the abilities of Homelander, but your family dies.